Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 150 KW ID.3 Life 58 kWh 5-door auto in sleek grey. This electric estate boasts an array of luxurious features including Bluetooth, satellite navigation, ambient lighting, and lane departure warning for your safety and convenience. With multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and emergency call, you can drive with peace of mind. This stunning vehicle has been meticulously maintained, undergoing a full multi-point health and safety check and service to manufacturer specification. With a comprehensive warranty, you can enjoy worry-free driving in this cutting-edge vehicle. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us at or visit our website at michaelmoore.ie for more information on this exceptional 2021 Volkswagen ID.3. Elevate your driving experience today